Hey, it's pumpkin season and I'm excited to share this delicious, easy recipe. And today I'm going to be using ready pie crust just to make a little shortcut. Eggs, sweetened condensed milk, pumpkin puree, brown sugar, some salt, cinnamon, ground ginger, and ground nutmeg. And I have this pie pan here. It's a glass dish. And I'm just going to unroll and place this over. You can leave it as is, or you can make these little cute things on the sides like that. And I just pinched them with my fingers like that. You just go around, just pinch all the way around. So we're going to do some blind baking, which means we're going to put some parchment paper and put some baking beans or whatever you want to call them, just plain dried beans. We're going to put this to bake on 400 degrees for about 10 minutes. In the meantime, we're going to be mixing our things, which is put everything in here and just mix all the ingredients, the remaining. And in the sugar, you can do to your taste. I mean, I kind of just try a little bit before at this point, I kind of taste a little bit if it needs more sugar or not. I mean, yeah. So that's ready. So this has baked for about 10 minutes. I'm going to take the beans out. As you can see, now I want to bake for 5 more minutes so we can get the crust. As you can see, it's done baking. 5 more minutes in the oven. Take it out. While it's still warm, take an egg white, as this will protect the pie from becoming soggy. So while it's still warm, we're going to brush with an egg white all around the sides, the bottom. It kind of puts a little film, so it kind of protects the protects from the liquids. Once that's kind of cooling, maybe give it 5-10 minutes to cool, but it's not very necessary. I just poured in right in, and it's ready to bake. But see how the sides are going to be browning? We need to use some foil and protect our crust from becoming too dark. So I used some foil, made it in a circle shape, and I just placed it over here. We're going to put this to bake on 325 degrees for about 50-55 minutes. Depends. The middle might still be a little jiggly looking, but it will be ready. And I'll show you what that looks like once we're going to put this in. So as you can see, I sticked in a knife. You just want to stick it in maybe an inch in. It comes out clean. As you can see, nothing is sticking. That means this is ready. So let it chill for about 2 hours on the table. As you can see, it's all perfect and everything. Then you want to refrigerate for about 6 hours. And then here's some whipping cream. You can do with sugar, and then just decorate and enjoy. This is really simple, easy recipe, especially that we use the ready pie dough. And I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Please like and subscribe, and you'll get some more great videos. And this is what it looks like with a slice. It's so perfect. As you can see, it's not soggy at all. It's just perfect. Everything is just perfect and dry. Perfect slices of pieces. Give it a shot. I know you will like it. And till next time, thank you so much for watching.